renaissance man, cause I do what everyone can. I'm taking the stage, changing the game, all with the pen in my hand. No problem with making a statement, or putting the rubber to pavement. I'm running the race, I'm raising the stakes, cause I got a hunger for greatness. I'm doubling up, they doubling back. They in the red, now I'm in the black. Came for the gold, I'm staying on track. Top of the podium, triple the stack. I'm bringing my pack, we taking it all, ain't leaving the scraps. Better look out now, cause it's sundown. Yeah, we coming for all that you have. Hands up, hands up, hands up. I'm here for the crown. Hands up, hands up, hands up. I said I'm here for the crown. You know I'm here for the crown. You know I won't stop now. I got a game plan, I'm a new man and I'm coming to win it. Won't do it alone with my own hands, that's how you know that I'm different. Just look at the scales that we tipping.
AKIMBA RUN sukses selalu.
Yang pastinya seru banget, terus keren. Pokoknya AKIMBA terbaik lah.